Rose A, round 1, chain 23. Work 22 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Round 2, chain 3. Turn your work. Then treble crochet in the same stitch. Work 2 treble crochets. Treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Treble crochet. Repeat this 3 times. Work 2 more treble crochets. Treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Work 2 double crochets. Double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Repeat twice. Work 2 more double crochets. Double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch. Rose B, round 1, chain 17. Work 16 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Round 2, chain 3. Turn your work. Then work a treble crochet. Work 2 treble crochets. Treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Treble crochet. Repeat twice. Work 2 more treble crochets. Treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Work 2 double crochets. Double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets. Double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch. Row C, round 1, chain 38. Work 37 single crochets in second chain from hook. Round 2, chain 3. Turn your work. Then treble crochet in the same stitch. Three treble crochets. Then treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Treble crochet. Repeat 3 times. 2 treble crochets. Then treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Treble crochet. Repeat 3 times. 2 treble crochets. Treble crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Two double crochets. Then half double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Double crochet. Repeat 3 times. 2 double crochets, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, leaves, round 1, chain 6, single crochet in second chain from hook, chain 2, double crochet, 3 times, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, 3 times, slip stitch, chain 1, round 2, work in chain spaces of previous round, 3 single crochets, 5 times, chain 3, 3 single crochets, 5 times, slip stitch to join, base, round 1, start with a magic ring, work 6 single crochets into the ring, slip stitch to join, then chain 1, round 2, 6 increases, slip stitch, chain 1, round 3, single crochet, increase, single crochet, 6 times, slip stitch, chain 1, round 4, 2 single crochets, increase 6 times, slip stitch, chain 1, round 5, increase 3 single crochets, 6 times, slip stitch, chain 1, round 6, 2 single crochets, increase, two single crochets, 6 times, slip stitch, chain 1, round 7, 5 single crochets, increase 6 times, slip stitch, then chain 109. In the second chain from hook single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, hide and snip those extra threads from leaves and base. Let's wrap up our rose. Stick those leaves onto the base. Arrange and glue your blooms just how you like.